Well, here we go again. Now that we've got our points in and our contours created and our image inserted, we're going to fill out the title block. We get this title block option off the menu. We enter a new customer or select one off the drop-down list of customers that we've created in the past. Let's just fill in some generic data here. And these last two, the phone number and email, you don't need to enter that information if you don't want. But you have to enter something there, so just enter a period. And with this check mark, so the designer's information shows up from the designer's file. Then what county you're in, and then what town you're in. This street field here was populated by this, but because we typed in street, it just shows up as street. So let's put something else in. Lot size, tax map number, deed book and page, whether it's a proposed new system, revised plan, replacement system for like a failed field, as built, subdivision approval number for New Hampshire systems, subdivision name, prior construction approval numbers if you have them, and what our actions are going to be now that we've done filling this out. We're going to draw the border, we're going to insert the map, lot, and area number, we're going to get our locus map, we're going to insert the title block, the town certification, the designer stamp, and then how is the plan titled. Then just select OK, and it's going to lead you to a bunch of other prompts as it's fulfilling those actions. Now we're going to, typically I have it come in as 13, but usually I bump it up to 14, the zoom factor on the locus map. This latitude and longitude were the same ones that we entered in the Google, the geodata function. We're going to, the lot and latitude and longitude address is a lot more accurate than the street address. Google, a lot of times gets that street address wrong, so that's what we're going to use. Now here, we're going to right-click our mouse, copy the image. Now we can, this is a Internet Explorer. I'm using Firefox. I'm going to close this window. We're going to hit this save QR code. I'll show you why in a minute. And then we're going to hit accept. And it automatically puts the locus map in the box to scale. Now we're going to type QR, enter, and we get this QR image that we can bring in. Same thing, right click, copy, close the window, and accept, and then it asks you where you want it. The scale's a little big, so I'm going to reduce it to 30 here instead of 50. Okay, sorry about that. I had to do something briefly. So I've got this QR image, and if you took a picture of that with a QR reader on your phone, that would bring you to a Google Map application that would give you directions on how to get to the site. I just thought it might be something handy to have there. And as you can see, we filled out a lot of information on the title block here. Now you can go back to that title block function as many times as you want if you don't have all the information at the first time you go there. and fill it out and just reinsert the title block and okay, and it'll update everything. You won't lose anything. That's it on the title block. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Try to make it as straightforward as possible. I'll see you on the next video.